Hey guys, in this video you'll learn how to change app permissions on Android. It's super simple, so if this video helps you out, give it a like, and if you have any questions, just comment them down below. I'll try to reply to all of them. So let's start. First, what you have to do is go to your settings, of course, and now what you can do, one way to change the permission is go to the apps. Now choose apps again and find the app you want to change the permissions to. For example, Chrome. Now click on permissions and see what it's allowed to use. For example, if you want to deny the access to your camera, you can go back and it will automatically be denied. If you want to go back, just allow it again. And that's basically it. The other way is go to permission manager. Now you'll see all of the apps that have permission to your microphone, for example, to your location, to your contacts or camera, and you can specifically remove an app from this location. For example, if you want to deny the location, the permission of the camera to Snapchat, we can just click deny, and you can do this for all of the apps. And that's how you do it. See you in the next one.